In today's video, we'll walk you through how the admin can add sellers to the multi-vendor marketplace for Shopify using two different methods, manually and through CSV upload. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's see how it works. As you can see on the screen, this is the admin dashboard of the multi-vendor marketplace. From here, navigate to the seller menu and click on the seller's listing. In the seller listing section, you can add sellers in two ways, manually and using CSV file upload. To add seller manually, click on Add Seller button. This will open a new page where the admin needs to fill in all the details for the new seller. Here what you need to enter, first enter the seller name, then enter the seller shop name. After that enter the email, next enter the store address, then enter the city. After that select the country, next select the state, then enter the zip code. After that select the country code. Finally enter the contact number. Enter additional information such as the store description, seller description and seller policy. Set up a password for the seller account and confirm it. Once all the details are filled in, click the Create Account button. The seller will then be successfully added and you can view them on the seller listing page. To add a seller using the CSV file method, go to More Actions and click Add Seller by CSV. Download the seller file pattern, country details and state details files and prepare your CSV file in the same format as the sample. Upload the file, then validate it and click the Submit button. Once uploaded, the seller will be added to your store in bulk. From the Action menu on the seller listing page, you can edit a seller, disable or enable a seller, log in as the seller, view in store, send messages to the seller, change the password, view seller staff and delete the seller. You can also export seller details using a CSV file or enable or disable multiple sellers in bulk by selecting them and clicking the select option. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.